The 8,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner is a versatile device that efficiently cools spaces up to 350 square feet, making it ideal for bedrooms, offices, and small apartments. With its rolling wheels, this air conditioner is easy to move around, eliminating the need for permanent installation, which is perfect for those who need a flexible cooling solution. The smart control panel and remote control provide effortless operation, allowing you to adjust the temperature and set timers with ease from anywhere in the room. A washable air filter ensures that the air remains clean and free from dust and pet hair, promoting a healthier living environment while maintaining the unit's efficiency. Its 24-hour timer and sleep mode allow you to customize cooling schedules without disrupting your rest, thanks to the quiet operation that keeps noise levels below 51 decibels. Manufactured by Electactic, this model combines practicality with convenience, making it a reliable choice for portable cooling needs in various settings.